everyone. We have such a fun product today. These are dinosaur RC controlled and they are really cool. They have a lot of fun things that they do. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. They have sounds and a light out of their mouth, so it looks really cool at night, and I'll show you that. They have wheels on the bottom of their hands and legs, and they also have a non-stick surface right there. So they will roll or stay, whatever you want them to do. These are the controllers, and you can control them going forward and backward. Of course, turn it on and off, and the noise, the sound, the lights. Whole bunch of stuff you can do with these. They're really fun and realistic looking, like the Jurassic Park dinos. And get your kids' attention. My son and his friend were so excited to play with these. So really fun product.